Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the liquid detection settings on DJI ROMO. To do it, click on the settings in top right corner. Then go to Obstacle Avoidance Settings and find Liquid Detection. Now you can set it to bypass, so it will intelligently bypass common ground liquids. It may reduce cleaning coverage, but of course, like it's just how it works. So if there's like some liquid on the ground, it will bypass it. You can also set it to clean, which means that robot will slow down and lift the roller brush for liquid cleaning, which means it will only mop it without vacuuming, so the liquid doesn't get into the dust bin. And you can also set it to ignore, so it won't detect liquids and just continue cleaning. But of course, liquids that way may enter the dustbin, and that may make it leak during cleaning, which isn't really something good. But if you don't really often have liquids on the ground, then I think it may be fine. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.